Right, got the pickup warming up. I'm going to take it to its first show up at the Crieff Hydro. Put some fuel into my pickup. This is a 2-gallon tub. E5 Super. Pick up there, go for a wee look about. Gondas.
A new addition, definitely. Isn't it before?
Is it restored?
No, I wouldn't say it's restored. Ah, well, it's
Been that.
it's not an original.
Ah, but it's not fresh.
No, it's no freshness. I mean, quite good inside that. It's filling up, too.
Oh.
The old Crieff Range Rover. So they're going to get a repaint. Six-cylinder thing. Very good, that's it. Fucking shades up on shades. Yeah, it's screwed.
A big rice.
Left a life with the fucking scars on it.
Aye.
Just 3 power drops. Car's on a lift.
Eh?
This one's on a lift.
Is that one of that mid-rise lift?
No, this is a heavy duty thing.
Does it go right up though, or does it only go up?
I think it'll go up quite a bit this.
He gets loads and loads of stuff that they want. I think.
Big queue for the coffee bar, that's a success. Oh, here's Davy's Moore here. Escort. Nice.
A BDA twin cam in an engine. Oh, it's a Capina engine.
Is it?
Aye.
Started off as an RS 1800 then, did it?
No, originally the...
Yes, it was, yeah. Really nice. Got a wee model of it up in the dash.
Is it? Aye.
Got it done. Must have got that model done. Very good Matheson's Motorsport. Got a big model in the Black Windy.
Is it?
With the spotlights and the transfers, everything's the same. I think these are them made.
Right.
You know, he probably does get them made. The wing on the roof. Galvis.
How's it going? No, it's all right, just talk. Yeah. I think the answer to me.
I've seen this I like these wheels. Fucking good wheels on these. Yeah, I'm going to pick them. They're banded. Yeah.
Oh aye, big wide. Are the Cooper rims turned in maybe, no? No, not with the hubcaps.
I don't know. I don't know.
Don't know, not sure.
I don't know.
Is that a bit wider than normal ones?
Aye, sticking out.
Ah, they maybe had a widened,
They've been
banded.
done. They've been done, like, you know. They've just been done. They get fresh, right?
Has it got a branding on them? Lights.
Oh, that's many 1,000. 68 MOT to March. 210 Amazon TR6. Yeah, let's see what this is.
Yeah. A Jensen Healy for sale. Not quite a big car, that.
A long bonnet. Emridge. Funny shaped headlights, but your hand in the headlights, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Come on, we'll look round here.
That's quite good, you get your gearbox rejig.
Aye.
Some light pepper pot.
Ah, well, 160 GTI alloys.
Nice wheels then, they've been redone. Standard wee car there. Oh, it's a 1.9 GTI.
1.9.
That's what it says in the back. Any more badges are that? No, 205 XS in the back.
Ah, right.
Somebody put 1.9.
Aye, the wee side infills, aye. That's what they used to do, aye. Very good.
I've seen that before.
Leyland car,
That guy's Triumph we're talking to, he's convertible. Jagger. Sits in Parry.
Some see some of the projects and going, what? I know.
You'll see the engine in this in a minute. Yankee pickup. Dodge.
actually get in, come up to Bash and you can
A robust looking pickup that.
Yeah.
Heavy chassis. Oh, can last forever that, wouldn't it? It's good to turn out of cars down here. Oh, big super cars. Forever, that you'd fucking fall right in it. Your hand doing a few how low that is to the ground.
Is it an ear, maybe? No?
Yeah.
Aye.
Come off a fairground ride.
Let me fiberglass that, aye.
Aluminium. On a line. One of them's a Battery in it with the cells and the tap, you know, the joiner bits.
Oh,
It's like really old, it's a split screen. So cool. It's like got no powerly pipe.
so it's in here.
Huge big bonnet bin.
Scooby Doo.
Aye, we'll go down this way and up the other way. Quite a lot of cars here.
Don't know.
This is a good field for them, yeah. It's short grass.
Aye.
Hard to. Porsches and Rovers, Jaguars.
Aye, good variation here, something for everyone.
Definitely. Some of these cars I've travelled a wee bit, I bet.
I bet you. I bet they're not just 5 minutes down the road.
They're not.
Du siehst einfach nur eine Sache und das ist der Niedergang des Designs.
I've travelled a wee bit, some of them. You know,
Aye, only original once.
chrome's a wee bit rusted in the bumpers, you just rubbing it away all over the stuff.
Very good.
In here. TVR.
Right, we'll leave you to it though.
Did I see here this down the bottom? Yes, black one.
The cars are starting to move.
Aye, we'll get here.
Stand here, let this cat come down. Wee bit late coming by, so yeah. Right, let's go.
Yeah. Fuck. You tell me I've lost the key.
Right.
What's the petrol gauge saying? I've got a 2 gallon on it.
Above quarter.
Well, that was a success. First car show with my new pickup. Had it here now, but you know what I mean. And I did a tip run when I come back there, since I had it out anyway. Aye, right, go and get some lunch now.